The average dryer used to last 18 to 25 years. Today, most are dead by 10 years. The cheap ones need service within 5 years. If you just bought a $600 dryer, you could be facing a $350 to $800 repair bill within 4 years that nobody warned you about. The same engineering strategy that killed the washing machine has now infected the dryer: sealed bearings you cannot replace, plastic parts where metal used to be, and control boards that cost more to fix than a new machine. Repair technicians have been documenting this for years. The manufacturers would rather you throw it away. Today we are opening the dryer, naming the brands to avoid, and giving you the one rule that saves thousands. In the 1970s, a dryer was 5 components: motor, belt, heating element, drum, timer, all mechanical, all replaceable. Machines lasted 25 to 35 years. Some Maytag dryers from the 1980s are still running on original motors. Starting in the late 1990s, manufacturers replaced mechanical timers with electronic control boards, serviceable bearings with sealed assemblies, and simple thermostats with moisture sensors. Each was marketed as a feature, and each became a new failure point. The old timer cost $15 to $40, and any homeowner could swap it. A modern control board costs $150 to $350, needs brand-specific software, and is discontinued 3 to 5 years after launch. When the board dies and the replacement no longer exists, the dryer is dead. Not because the motor failed, because a circuit board is no longer manufactured. A 1985 Maytag cost $400, about $1,100 adjusted, and lasted 25 years, $44 per year. A 2024 Samsung costs $800 and lasts 8 to 10 years, $80 to $100 per year before repairs. More money, half the life. That is the business model. First, the sealed drum. Older dryers used replaceable rollers and a rear bearing, which cost $15 to $30 and were swappable by anyone. Modern dryers seal the bearings into the housing. Failure at 5 to 8 years means replacing the entire assembly, which costs $350 to $600. At that price, most buy new. The manufacturer sells 2 where they used to sell 1. Second, plastic internals. Drum glides were downgraded from metal-backed to thin plastic, and they wear through in 3 to 5 years. Blower housings in Samsung and Whirlpool switched from stamped steel to plastic that cracks under heat cycling. Idler pulleys were downgraded from metal to plastic. They crack, the belt slips, and the drum stops. Third, the lint system. Modern dryers route exhaust through baffles, sensors, and condensate traps that trap lint in unreachable locations. Lint buildup is the leading cause of dryer fire, causing 2,900 fires per year, $35 million in damage, and 5 deaths annually, according to NFPA. The more complex the exhaust path, the more dangerous it becomes without professional cleaning, and the manufacturer never mentions that. With Samsung, moisture sensors malfunction and control boards fail in 3 to 5 years. Parts are often back-ordered for months. Many independent shops refuse to service them. Yale Appliance data places Samsung in the highest service rate tier. Whirlpool owns Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana. The Maytag repairman was bored because nothing broke on machines built before the 2006 Whirlpool acquisition. After the acquisition, Maytag dryers became Whirlpool dryers with a badge. Same factory, same failures. Belt and pulley failures occur at 4 to 6 years. Heating element burnout happens at 5 to 7 years. Thermal fuse blowouts from restricted lint cost $150 to $250 for a $10 safety part. Budget tier, Hotpoint, Amana, Roper. This is what builders install. Prices run from $400 to $550. Thinnest steel, most plastic, shortest life. Drum noise in year 1. A $450 dryer plus a $200 repair in year 2 equals $650 for a 2-year machine. you saved nothing. Every brand on the list shares the same strategy: sealed drums, plastic pulleys, discontinued parts, and warranties that expire before the first failure. Number 3. LG. Direct drive motor. Fewer moving parts. Consumer Reports rates them among the most reliable for 2025. Yale data shows a 4.5% service rate, below average. Pricing runs from $800 to $1,200. The accessible option. Number 2. Miele. Miele tests every dryer for 10,000 hours, the equivalent of 20 years of use. Parts are guaranteed for 15 years after a model is discontinued. Heat pump models use lower temperatures. They are gentler on fabric, do not require an external vent, and reduce fire risk. Prices range from $1,200 to $2,500. That 15-year parts commitment is something no other manufacturer makes. Number 1. Speed Queen. Commercial platform, Ripon, Wisconsin. Heavy gauge steel drum, metal glides, steel blower housing, metal pulley. Tested 10,400 cycles, equivalent to 25 years of use. The DR7 carries a 7-year full warranty, parts and labor. Best in the industry, from $1,099 to $1,499. Over 25 years, $44 to $60 per year for a machine designed to be repaired, not replaced. Spending $1,200 once beats spending $600 3 times. Check the warranty. 1 year means the manufacturer expects failure in year 2. Speed Queen offers a 7-year warranty. Miele guarantees parts for 15 years. 1 year is not a bet on the product. It is an exit strategy. Check the drum. Can the bearings be replaced independently? If they are sealed into the assembly, the dryer has an expiration date. $350 to $600 in repairs in years 5 to 8 will push you to buy a new one. That is the design. Clean the lint path. After every load, clean the trap. Annually disconnect the vent and clean the full run. Every 2 years, get professional duct service, $100 to $150. This prevents 2,900 fires per year. A $100 cleaning prevents a $35,000 fire. 3 $600 dryers over 25 years cost $1,800 plus repairs. One Speed Queen DR7 at $1,200 lasts the full 25 years with a 7-year warranty. The expensive dryer is the cheapest one you will ever own. Here's the rule. Check the warranty. Check the drum. If the warranty is 1 year and the drum is sealed, you are not buying an appliance, you are renting one. Your dryer was designed to fail. The replacement was designed to fail too. Sealed bearings, plastic pulleys, discontinued parts, and 1-year warranties are not accidents. They are the business model. The only exit is brands that still build for durability. Speed Queen, Miele, and LG. Check the warranty. Check the drum. If the warranty is 1 year and the drum is sealed, you are not buying an appliance, you are renting one. Subscribe.